Inkjet heat transfer paper is by far one of the most versatile options if you're on a budget and want to heat press full color transfers onto your garments. But as with any print method, there are some situations where you might need to consider other options. So while I love Inkjet heat transfer paper and appreciate its position in the market, I do want to share 4 reasons why you would not use this tried and true transfer method. Number 1, you want to produce transfers with 0 thickness or feel. For 0 feel, you really only have one option, and that's going to be sublimation. The trade-off here is that sublimation only works on white or light colored polyester garments. When using polyester tees, you'll want to source your blank tees from brands that are sublimation focused to get the most comfortable options. Now, if polyester is a deal breaker for you, I actually do love Inkjet heat transfer paper, specifically Nina Jet Pro Soft Stretch. It works on white and light colored cotton, has a great feel after the initial press, and it just gets softer and softer as the garment is washed and worn over time. Reason 2, you don't want to pass your prints through a vinyl cutter. Simple shapes can be trimmed down with a paper slicer or a pair of scissors, but complex shapes require that you trim with precision using a vinyl cutter. Now this adds extra steps and processing time to each product. So for full color projects on cotton garments where you don't want to use a vinyl cutter, I would recommend a different method, like a white toner DTF printer. The drawback to white toner DTF printers is that they are significantly more expensive than inkjet printers. So when white toner is too expensive, Inkjet is ready to go to work for you. I would consider placing your graphic inside of a simple shape or border, that way your cutting time is minimized. Reason 3, you don't mind using a vinyl cutter, but your graphic is just text or a flat color vector style image. For projects like this, we actually do recommend just using good old-fashioned HTV over printable transfers. You'll find that finer details are much easier to pull off when you're cutting with HTV. And it's also worth mentioning that HTV has special finishes that just aren't possible to achieve with inkjet transfer paper, like glitter, reflective, holographic, and more. So while I love inkjet transfer paper, some projects simply work better with other print methods. Then there's reason 4. This one's kind of a no-brainer. Your inkjet printer is ready to be retired and just doesn't print like it used to. As with any technology, these machines don't last forever. So if your print quality is suffering, you have to replace your printer. And while you're out printer shopping, you may want to consider other options like sublimation, white toner DTF, or even other print methods. You may find that it's time to switch things up, or you just might be even more convinced that inkjet heat transfer paper truly is the best option for your business. Now here at Heat Press Nation, we don't believe that there's one print method for everybody, just the right print method for you. In a lot of cases, that method is going to be inkjet transfer paper. However, you now have 4 examples of when a different print method just might be what you're looking for. We have lots of videos on our YouTube channel explaining all these different print methods in detail, so be sure to subscribe to our channel for all the latest demos and tutorials. And to see our full selection of inkjet heat transfer paper and other heat transfer products, please visit us at heatpressnation.com.